In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon Prime Video account in 2025. Whether you love movies, enjoy binge watching series, or just want a convenient entertainment platform, setting up Prime Video gives you access to a wide range of content. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and go to www.amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, locate the sign in button at the top right corner and click on it. Enter your email address and click Continue, then type in your password and click Sign In. Now you're logged into your Amazon account. Next, hover over Account and List at the top right, and from the drop-down, select Account. On your account page, look for Prime and click on it. This will take you to the Amazon Prime membership page. Here, you can choose to start a 30-day free trial or join Prime immediately. You'll also see options for different membership plans, so pick the one that suits you best, monthly or annual. Once you select your plan, enter your payment information such as your credit card details. Even if you're starting with a free trial, this step is required to activate your membership. Finally, review and agree to the terms and conditions to confirm your membership. Once completed, you'll receive confirmation that your Amazon Prime membership is active. Now you're ready to access Prime Video. You can browse directly on Amazon, download the Prime Video app, or use any compatible streaming device to start watching movies, TV shows, and exclusive content. Congratulations, you now know how to create an Amazon Prime Video account and are all set to enjoy endless entertainment.